Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sol Central Exchange token. Name of the token is SOLCEX, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is a fairly new token, and it was just announced that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find their Telegram at SolCEX_exchange. 5,471 Telegram members, 508 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more, their webpage is solcex.io. They have a buy now button on their webpage that'll take you to Jupiter. This token is also available on Raydium. And it was just announced on Twitter here that today, May 8th, this token will be available for full trading at 12:30 UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So you can download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search SOLCEX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that is one way to get the token. Another way to get the token would be to download get a Phantom wallet or a Trust wallet, or you could use a Solflare wallet, any wallet that stores Solana tokens. Fund that wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps and find Raydium or Jupiter, and then trade your Sol for the Sol Central Exchange token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage. Now, Sol Central Exchange is the first centralized cryptocurrency exchange launched on the Solana blockchain, offering users a seamless, secure, and accessible platform for trading a wide range of digital assets. With a focus on user experience, security, and education, Sol Central Exchange aims to redefine the landscape of cryptocurrency trading, catering to both novice and experienced traders alike. So they have a white paper that you can find on docs.solcex.io. So they go over the problem statement. So centralized cryptocurrency exchanges face several critical issues, some of them being transaction speeds, high fees, limited trading options, security vulnerabilities, and more. So their solution. So they address the challenges faced by traditional central exchanges by offering a revolutionary centralized exchange launched on the Solana blockchain. Leveraging Solana's high-performance technology, Sol Central Exchange provides lightning-fast transaction speeds and scalability, ensuring seamless trade executions and minimal network congestion by offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Solana tokens. Sol Central Exchange enables users to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. Moreover, they prioritize user experience through their intuitive interface, making it accessible for both novice and experienced traders. Robust security measures, including state-of-the-art encryption and strict data privacy controls ensures the safety of user funds and personal information. Additionally, Sol Central Exchange offers comprehensive educational resources such as articles, videos, and tutorials to empower users with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed trading decisions. Overall, Sol Central Exchange revolutionizes cryptocurrency trading by providing a secure, user-friendly, and educational platform launched on the innovative Solana blockchain. With Sol Central Exchange, users can trade with confidence, expand their knowledge, and embrace the future of digital asset trading. So the tokenomics here for the token, this is the native utility token for the platform designed to facilitate seamless transactions, incentivize user participation, and drive the growth and development of the ecosystem. So they have some contract links to their locked token contracts that you can view on their documents section. They have a governance model. So we believe in the power of decentralized governance to foster community participation, transparency, and innovation within our platform. Our governance model is designed to empower token holders and stakeholders to actively shape the future of the exchange, ensuring that decisions are made in the best interests of the community. So they operate on a token-based governance model where the native token plays a central role in decision-making processes. So there's going to be proposal submissions, voting, a voting period, execution, and then the governance treasury. There's going to be resilience, innovation, transparency, and community empowerment. There's also an affiliate program that you can get involved with if you like. You can earn by staking your tokens on the Sol Central Exchange. Now there's security measures like smart contract audits, multi-signature wallets, cold storage, two-factor authentication, encryption and data privacy, regular security audits, and penetration testing, incident response and contingency planning, and encryption and data privacy. And so some of their features are innovative technology, advanced features, enhanced security, seamless user experience, accessible education, and intuitive user interface, multiple trading pairs, liquidity provision, advanced trading tools, cross-chain compatibility, security and trust, and community engagement. So check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.